started our Yosemite trip from San Francisco, and with just 2 days, we wanted to see and experience as much as we could. So come along with me as I take you through our weekend in Yosemite and some of the best things to do along the way. So today's plan, we are going straight to Glacier Point. Yes, Glacier Point is open for the season, so we are really happy. If you don't know, Glacier Point in Yosemite National Park is very popular, and it usually closed for winters, so it's only open for summers and late spring. Today we are directly going there. We are going to stop on the way for a few of the overlooks on the way, and we are going to enjoy and see the beautiful Yosemite National Park. So excited. Just entered Yosemite National Park after driving from the entrance about 20 minutes. This is our first view. We can see a glimpse of Yosemite from here, and we also saw a beautiful waterfall at the distance.
Wipe the sleep from your eyes. Quit dreaming now, the sun is on the rise. And by the end of the day, this dusty room will be 1,000 miles away.
So on our way today, we are here at the most famous viewpoint in Yosemite National Park, that is Tunnel View. As you can see behind me, that is the view of Yosemite Valley along with the beautiful Bridal Veil waterfall. Absolutely beautiful. So our initial plan was to go till Glacier Point for sunset, but weather today is really not that great. As you can see, thick clouds. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to our stay, where we are going to check in and relax a bit. So we are going to spend next 2 nights here in Curry Village, and we just checked in for next 2 nights, and now we are here at Pizza Deck in Curry Village to have pizza because we are very hungry and it's dinner time. So yeah, let's begin. It's looking really pleasing.
So guys, after the dinner it's time to sleep. So what we have got is a bed sheet, and this blanket and the other blanket. So they usually give only one blanket, and we have asked for the extra blanket because it is very cold. It's around 2 degrees Celsius right now, and it's very cold. So, and it's a little bit windy as well, so I think this should work. The tent is unheated, that's what we have booked, but here there is an option for heated tent as well. That will cost a little bit more. Good night, see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning you guys. So this is our tent. As you can see, this is the whole tent area, and right now I'm going to the washroom for freshen up and everything. That's the washroom. It's time for coffee. So in the Curry Village area there is a coffee shop which opens at 6 a.m. So we are going there. So after breakfast we are all set
for the hike. So we are going to do one hike in Yosemite, that is Mist Trail. If we can, we will go to the top of Vernal Fall as well. But let's see how long we take to do the Mist Trail. But definitely going to do the Mist Trail, right, Pranjal?
Yes.
So let's go. As I told you, we started from Curry Village, and from Curry Village to Mist Trail, it's 1 mile hike. It's a simple hike, and after that, from here, it's gonna take 1.2 mile one way to reach the viewpoint of Mist Trail. So let's go. It's gonna be uphill hike, so I'm going to take time for sure. So it's totally tiring and it's a busy day today. So many people. It's Saturday. So we just took a break, and now after we'll eat something and then we will continue again. So we reached 0.8 miles on the trail, and this is the foothill of Vernal Fall. As you can see behind me, we can see the glimpse of Vernal Fall. From here, I guess another 0.8 miles to go. So on this trail, there is a restroom and a water filling station as well at the foot of Vernal Fall. On the way to the Mist Trail, and it's just another 0.8 miles. We almost reached there. From here, the waterfall looks really, really beautiful. So the summit done. We are at the top of Vernal Falls. As you can see behind me, that's the river. And let me show you the view from here. The next plan is to sit somewhere, have something, and then we are going to head down. So now we are heading back. So after lunch, our next plan is to go to Glacier Point, which we attempted yesterday, but we couldn't go because the weather was not right. So now we are heading towards it. It's gonna take 1.5 hours to reach there from Curry Village. So on the way to the Glacier Point, we stopped here at this point called Washburn Point, and from here we are seeing the beautiful half dome clearly visible. And the beautiful thing about this viewpoint, and I had no idea that we can see Vernal Falls and Nevada Falls, absolutely looking beautiful. And as you know, in the morning we were there through the Mist Trail to see the Vernal Falls. It was really beautiful, and from now we are at the top, looking down, seeing the beautiful falls from a viewpoint. Crazy! So after Washburn Point, we are here at Glacier Point, which is like 10 minutes drive from there, and I can tell you the view from here is absolutely beautiful. We are at the top of the mountain and we are able to see Half Dome up close. I guess this is the easiest way you can see. Also, Glacier Point is not open year round. It is open from mid-May till mid-September, and it is closed rest of the year. So we are so glad when we are here, the road is open and we are able to see this beautiful view. So it's almost sunset, and the view from here at Glacier Point is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god, everybody is just watching sunset. There are so many trails which starts from here, but we did not go for any trail because the view from the Glacier Point itself is so amazing. We just sat here, enjoyed the view, and then walked around. Absolutely amazing. So we are back at Curry Village where we are staying for the night, and it's already 9:45. We reached here, and the only option we have is pizza. So we have ordered pizza, and we are going to eat, drink, and go to sleep. It is our last day in Yosemite, so we are trying to do as much as things possible. So right now we are starting with Lower Yosemite Falls. Very easy hike. It's 0.8 mile round loop, I guess. Yeah, that's what the trail says. And we are going to see the Yosemite Lower Falls up close. So let's go. So we just saw the first glimpse of the Yosemite Falls. Oh my god, now I get it why it is so popular.
Wipe the sleep from your eyes. Quit dreaming now, the sun is on the rise. And by the end of
So we just reached the Lower Yosemite Falls. As you can see behind me, that's Lower Yosemite Falls.
best keep to traveling on.
So after Yosemite Lower Falls, we are here in Cook's Meadow, and we are just walking around and enjoying the valley view.
Wipe the sleep from your eyes. Quit dreaming now, the sun is on the rise. And by the end of the day, this dusty room will be 1,000 miles away.
So next we are here at Bridal Veil Fall. So before leaving for airport, so it's short hike, so we are going to go quickly and check it out. And that's pretty much how we spent our 2 days in Yosemite. We managed to see a lot, but honestly there is still so much more I would love to come back for. If you are planning your first trip, I hope this gave you a better idea of what you can fit into a short visit. Thanks for coming along with me, and I see you guys in the next video.